This video is based on author's imagination. This video is just for entertainment purpose. It doesn't mean to hurt anyone's feeling. All the characters used in the story are completely fictional. It doesn't relate with Ida's personal life. So don't take it seriously. Now sit back and enjoy the video series. Well, it's our King Jungkook's FF. Remember, all the characters, incidents used in this are completely fictional. So don't take it to your kidneys and heart. And have a good time. You are the softest kind of guy. The kind who still press flowers into books, dance barefoot in your bedroom, and cried at movies you would already watch 10 times. Your laughter was warm like a hug in the middle of chaos. Your heart too damn big for your chest. And Jungkook was the boy who never believed in forever until he met you. He was ambition, speed, adrenaline, tattoos and late nights, sharp jawlines and sharper wit. But somehow with you, he slowed down, softened with time, shone with smiles, and he loved that you never saw him as just a man who could break hearts. To you, he was home, and to him, you were the beginning of everything he never knew he needed. It was late, the stars glittered like spilled sugar over a velvet sky. The rooftop was quiet except for the distant hum of traffic, the soft click of soda bottles, and your heartbeat racing for a boy who swore he would never fall this hard. You sat with your knees pulled to your chest, wearing his hoodie, legs bare. Jungkook sat beside you, hair tousled from the wind, eyes locked on the sky like he was trying to memorize it. You. Do you think we'll still be like this 5 years from now? Jungkook, smiling without looking. No. You. No? Jungkook, because 5 years from now, you won't be in my hoodie. You will be in a wedding dress and I'll be standing at the end of the aisle trying not to cry like a dumbass. You blinked. He wasn't joking. Not this time. You. Jungkook. You. I'm serious, baby. I have done a lot of things in this life. I have been reckless. I have hurt people. I have made mistakes I can't erase. But the only thing I haven't done right is you. You. I don't want to promise if it's not forever, because I believe in forever, dangerously. Jungkook, then let's be dangerously together. I'll build a home with these hands. I'll write your name into everything I am. I'll choose you when I'm angry. I'll choose you when I'm tired. I'll choose you every fucking time, even if the world burns down around us. You're the only altar I ever kneel to. You are already crying because when he said it, he meant it. You promise? Jungkook, I swear on every star above us. You are my always, my never without, my forever. You. Then don't break me, Jungkook, because I won't survive it. Jungkook, you'll never have to, not with me. You rested your head against his shoulder, his hoodie swallowing your whole, his scent wrapping around you like a lullaby. The city hummed below, distant and insignificant. Up here, it was just you and him. 2 hearts and 1,000 stars. Jungkook, you know something? You. What? Jungkook, sometimes I sit here and wonder how the hell I got so lucky. Like, what did I do to deserve you? You. Probably in your past life, you saved the country or something? Jungkook, if I did, then you are the reason I did it. Because I swear no matter what life I'm in, I would still find my way to you. He looked down at you like you were the only thing the moonlight was allowed to touch. His eyes, pure worship. You. I still remember the day I met you. Jungkook, at that damn food stall, you were arguing with the vendor about extra sauce? You. Yes, and you were behind me, acting all annoyed but secretly laughing. Jungkook, I was enchanted, not annoyed. That was the moment, Ryan. Jungkook, that exact second, I knew you were going to ruin me in the most beautiful way. You. And yet, you still flirted with the girl behind me in line? Jungkook, hey, I just needed a distraction. Otherwise, I would have just blanked out. Marry me on the spot. You both laughed, but his hand found yours again. Fingers lacing like they were made to fit. He went quiet for a second, that kind of quiet that held weight, truth, vulnerability. Jungle. Sometimes I get scared. You. Of what? Jungle. Of messing this up, of not being enough for you, of loving you so hard that if I ever lose you, I won't survive it. You. Hey, look at me. You are enough. You are everything I want. And I'll remind you every single day until you believe it. Even on the days you don't. Jungle. You won't get it, baby. You are the good in me, the calm, the brave. You are the only who holds me together when everything else falls apart. You. So don't ever shut me out, okay? Let me hold your broken pieces too. Because I don't love you just because you're strong. I love you when you're scared, when you're tired, when you feel like you're falling. Jungle. You are my safest place, Vayan. My softest moment, my only truth. You. Then promise me again. Jungle. I promise. I will marry you. I will love you in ways poems are too scared to write. Jungle. I will never let this slip through my fingers. You are my forever. Even if the whole world forget us. You kissed him, slow, tearful, with every inch of your soul. And the stars witnessed it, burning above gently and endless. You believed him. How could you not? His words felt like roots wrapping around your heart. But little did you know, the same star that shined on your promise would one day watch you shatter under the church roof.
सुर्ख वाला, सोज वाला, फैज वाला लव होता है जो लव से ज्यादा वैसे वाला लव. लव से ज्यादा वैसे वाला लव, इश्क वाला लव. हुआ जो दर्द भी तो हमको आज कुछ ज्यादा हुआ, इश्क वाला लव. ये क्या हुआ है क्या खबर यही पता है ज्यादा हुआ, इश्क वाला लव. अगर उसको भी हुआ है फिर भी मुझको ज्यादा हुआ, इश्क वाला लव. इश्क वाला लव जाके बादलों की जाली के पीछे से कर चांदनी ये मुझको इत्तला, लेकिन नूर सारा चांद मेरा यहीं पे है छुपा छुपा हुआ. इश्क वाला लव. हुआ जो दर्द भी तो हमको आज कुछ ज्यादा हुआ, इश्क वाला लव. ये क्या हुआ है क्या खबर यही पता है ज्यादा हुआ, इश्क वाला लव. अगर उसको भी हुआ है फिर भी मुझको ज्यादा हुआ, इश्क वाला लव. कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी, ना धूप चले ना छाँव, कैसी तेरी खुद गर्जी, किसी ठोर टिके ना पाँव। बन लिया अपना पैगंबर, कर लिया तू सात समंदर, फिर भी सूखा मन के अंदर क्यों रह गया। रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा मान जा, आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ। चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ बेलिया। ओ पिया मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ, चन्ना मेरे आ मेरे आ बेलिया। ओ पिया महफिल में तेरी हम न रहे जो, गम तो नहीं है, गम तो नहीं है, किससे हमारे नजदीकियों के, गम तो नहीं है, गम तो नहीं है। कितनी दफा सुबह को मेरी तेरे हमदर्द पर कोई मुझको यूं मिला है जैसे बन जाने को
कब मैंने ये सोचा था, कब मैंने ये जाना था, तुम इतने बदल जाओगे, तुम इतना मुझे चाहोगे। यूं इकरार करोगे मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम, मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम। कब मैंने ये सोचा था, कब मैंने ये जाना था, तुम इतने बदल जाओगे, तुम इतना मुझे चाहोगे, तुम इतना प्यार करोगे, तुम यूं इकरार करोगे मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम, मेरे महबूब मेरे सनम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम। आँखों में जो नरमी है पहले तो नहीं थी, सांसों में जो गर्मी है पहले तो नहीं थी, पहले तो नहीं छाई थी जुल्फों की घटाएं, पहले तो नहीं छाई थी जुल्फों की घटाएं, पहले तो नहीं महकी थी आंचल की हवाएं, पहले तो नहीं आती थी तुमको ये अदाएं, आज कितने हंसी है सितम, शुक्रिया मेहरबानी करम।
पूछे मेरा नाम और पता, रस्मों को रख के परे, 4 कदम बस 4 कदम चल दो ना साथ मेरे, बिन कुछ कहे बिन कुछ सुने हाथों में हाथ लिए, 4 कदम बस 4 कदम चलो ना साथ मेरे,